Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be discussing Morningscore, and it is an all-in-one best SEO tool or search engine optimization tool. So currently I have added my platform in this, and you can see it is also showing various statistics for my platform, which is shopnow.com, and it is saying that my morning score is 77 USD per month, which means that it has analyzed different sections, like for example the keywords, the health of the site, how quickly it responds. So all of the information is available in here. You can see the mission onboarding. You can also add a competitor website to have better comparison between you and them and what you are missing out. You have keyword section from the top menu bar, as you can see on the very top. Here we have rank tracker. If you want to track ranks, we have that. We have links, and in the links you can see the link that are going to be on your platform for different reasons, and the link score is 1.433 and total links could be 419. So basically it is of course a shopping website and has a lot of links, so it is going to be showing you how well your platform is performing and how you can improve it based on the scoring system. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. You can scan for various different features on the platform as well. If you like the video guys, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give it a try to Morningscore. So that is it for this video. You can head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial and exclusive benefits and rewards on the platform. See you in the next video.